In this video, I'll show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats on iPhone. It's a quick and easy process, and the most reliable way to do it is through iCloud. That way, if you ever switch to a new phone or run into any issues, your messages will be safe. Let's walk through it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. From there, look for iCloud in the list and tap on it. Now scroll down a bit until you see iCloud Backup. Tap on that as well. Make sure the toggle for backup this iPhone is turned on. That's the main switch that enables automatic backups. Next, go back to the main iCloud screen and scroll down to find the section labeled Apps using iCloud. Tap on See All or Show All to view the full list. Look for WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business in that list. If the toggle next to it is off, just tap to turn it on. This ensures that all your chat history, photos, and videos are included when iCloud runs a backup. You can also go into WhatsApp itself and trigger a manual backup if you want. Just open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now. But as long as iCloud Backup is turned on and WhatsApp is enabled in the list, your chats will be saved automatically, and that's really all there is to it. Now your WhatsApp messages are backed up and ready for whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.